Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Navdeep with me, 8 each in her PT exam, and that too in her very first attempt. Congratulations, Navdeep.
Thank you.
I've seen you working hard. You have spent days and hours in the lab. First time test taker, 8 each. This is a dream score. First thing I would like to ask you, why you thought you need to go for coaching for the very first attempt? Because normally we see students when they go for the exam very first time, they want to try it by themselves. They want to see where they stand, right? Why you thought you need proper guidance and coaching?
See, initially I thought that I can do by myself. Even I tried to study, but I didn't get enough time to study at all. And I wasn't unable to understand the pattern for the exam. It's a very complex pattern and they have a lot of questions. I don't know how I can remember all these questions, how to do these. So I came here and it took a couple of days to understand the format and then you guys helped me and then
so basically, you were not getting that extra push you need, right? Because when we try to study by ourselves, we have a lot of distractions. We have work, they don't let us go early home, right? And then when you come from work tired, you don't really want to study. Even if you push yourself to study, you don't really get the environment. But when you come here, you see everyone studying, you get that motivation. Right? You see that, yes, he is doing PT, she is doing PT, I need to do it as well. And that too, you have done it in the very first attempt. A perfect 90 in speaking. What is the secret? 90, you can't get more than that. What is the secret?
So the secret is, I think you know the secret well. So I think read alouds and repeat sentences. So I got the proper guidance how to do that. Initially, I was struggling in speaking. I remember that my fluency was always very down. And I don't know why. When I thought my mock test is really good, I used to score low. And when the mock test went bad, I scored well. So I was doing, I think, word stress. I know we don't have to do the word stress, but I was doing it unintentionally. I don't know why. And I don't know what was word stress exactly. So Bhumika ma'am told me, you are stressing these words. You need to be fluent. So I followed her way, you just read it don't stress on particular words. So that helped me a lot in my fluency.
So it's not more about taking your pitch and up and down, it's more about keeping it flat, right? So you don't really need to stress too much on words. On top of that, mock tests are very important because that is where you get the real picture. You come to know that, yes, I performed better here, but I didn't get the score. What is the reason, right? Because when we go for the exam, we do everything correct as per our understanding, right? But when you get the result, you come to know that, yes, this is the area I need to work on. These are the things I need to work on. Very important, you take a number of mock tests. And do not stress unnecessarily on words in read aloud. Listening and writing, what do you think is the most important factor for listening?
I think even for listening, you need to perform good in speaking as well. So I think that adds your marks in listening. And otherwise, write from dictation and the blanks. I think you can score good in exams. If you do well in exams.
That's right.
And also highlight incorrect words.
100%. Guys, one thing which I've noted out or I've taken out from her journey is that you need to make sure that you do proper speaking and your content recognition is 100% in speaking. Because if you're not performing that well in speaking, your listening scores, your reading scores are going to go down. Doesn't matter if you're doing your listening and reading section perfectly. Very important, you properly focus and concentrate on the content part in speaking section like she has done. You have attended a lot of lab sessions, you have taken a lot of mock tests, right? Why are mock tests important, Navdeep?
They're really important because we can get to know how we are performing. If we're practicing every day without the mock test, you don't know where you stand. So you need feedback as well. And you can only give feedback from the mock test. So, you can see our marks and you can give feedback better. And they also boost your confidence as well.
That's right. So once you have a scorecard, you see that, yes, I'm getting 79 here. You feel a bit confident, right? You feel a bit confident. Very important because this is more than your English exam or your language exam. This is more of your performance test. And if you're confident before you go for the exam, you will be comfortable, you will be relaxed, and you'll be able to perform better when it comes to the actual exam. Any final advice for students out there who are preparing for the exam, who feel like giving up, they think they can't really do it and they never do it in the first attempt? Any advice for them, please?
The advice is to go for coaching. Don't just waste your time at home. So you need guidance and support and also motivation as well. And there are very tricks and you need tricks. You need to learn strategies to score perfect 19 every module and also to get 8 each.
That's right. Yeah. One thing which I like, that you need to make sure you have proper guidance. On top of that, you need to have that motivation as well, because when you are practicing at home by yourself, you practice something, even if you get the AI feedback, you are not really able to figure out how to improve the mistake. You know you're making the mistake, but you don't really know how to improve it. So that is what happens in the lab. Once you practice something, you get the proper feedback and you know how to improve your mistakes and turn your weakness into your strength. All the very best, Navdeep. Very well done. 8 each in the first attempt, guys. If she has done it, I have done it. You can do it as well. I say this in each and every video of mine just to make sure you don't think that this is not possible or this is not easy. It's very easy if you follow the right guidance, put in your time, effort and hard work. You can easily do it as well. Thank you, guys. That's it from this video. Varun from Language Academy.